What are you doing in my house? I know who you are. You're our viewers, here to watch day 23 of this video. And using my laws of deduction, I have deduced that this will be the helicopter. Because 11 wasn't the helicopter, and it seems like they've kind of put the panels on the ones that have the things in them, for the most part, as best they can. And I'm guessing that tomorrow, the 24th, is going to be the big man himself. So, yeah, let's open up 23 and see what we got. But I'm guessing it's a helicopter. So, we're going to open 23 here, and oh, that actually tore pretty easily. Kind of looked like someone might have opened it already. Didn't look like that at first, but whatevs. I didn't tear the box. That's always worth it. So, it is the helicopter, from what I can see here. So, oh yeah. Well, I wasn't there for that, but Val was just pointing out how growing up, Santa visited us. Like, we were a military family, so we were always posted in like various places, and Santa visited us in Germany, like the whole military base, and he came in a helicopter. Not too dissimilar from this one. I think it was a Sea King. I'm not sure the exact model of those, but yeah. I'm sure my dad will be able to give us some more information on that. I think I remember that happening when I was born, because I wasn't born when we were in Germany. That was a few years before I was born. But I think when we were growing up in what I consider to be my hometown, because I spent most of my life there, I believe that there was a similar thing where Santa came in on a helicopter, and it was pretty cool. I remember thinking that it was pretty cool, and I got karate fighters. It was like this toy that you could like twist the thing on the base, and they would like kick and beat each other up and like snap and do weird noises. The robot just fell over. He was carrying poop. Let's fix that. He needs to get that poop away from everyone while he's eating his ice cream. Getting sidetracked. Karate Fighters was cool. I think they released like an updated version of it a few years back. And yeah, Santa's cool too. The big man. Okay. So, building this helicopter. It's kind of like that. It's kind of similar to the train, actually. Different shade of yellow. This is more like a marigold, I guess. And that's like more of a, or maybe that's more of a marigold. This is more of like a yolk. I don't know. It's hard to tell sometimes. Depends on the type of egg or whatnot. So, let me take this little guy, put it across the bottom like that. So the bottom looks like that. Getting itchy. This hat is itchy. My life is confusing. The helicopter goes. And Aaron goes insane. Build the thing for the prop. Prop goes this way. Okay, now we're going to build the tail rotor using one of these little black pegs. Put one on each side just to be on the safe side. Never have too many rotors on your plane or your helicopter. I think it actually is supposed to be done that way. So, let's connect that on there. I think that is the whole helicopter. It almost looks like a sky crane, the way that it's got that little thing in there. Maybe it goes over this nuclear power core and picks it up and flies it to a safe distance, drops it in the ocean where it blows up, makes Godzilla, and then we all reach our demise. So we're going to scoot this drone over, put the helicopter on the helipad. Yeah, that looks like that is it for that. Unless that goes in there. I don't know, I'm actually going to put this little peg in there just so that the tail rotor is a little stabilized structurally. There. Much better. And it's got a little viewport through the side there, if you can see that. Kind of cool. So, land that there. Set these off to the side. Not sure if we're going to be able to do that bonus video that I keep mentioning, because as you can probably see, it's all like little one peg jobbies, so. There, I think that. I'm trying not to spill it all over the floor and the table. Yeah, it's all little one peg jobbies, so I don't know if we can actually build anything with that. But we'll see. Maybe we'll figure something out. Maybe we'll add them to different things to kind of add some depth and whatnot. So, yeah, it's crazy to think that we're on day 23. We're almost done the whole advent calendar. Yeah, but stay tuned. We're going to have day 24 tomorrow. We're coming up on Christmas. That'll be Christmas Eve day tomorrow. And yeah, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Any comments are also greatly appreciated. And if you aren't subscribed, we would appreciate your subscription. We're going to be posting another one of these videos tomorrow, as well as our regular content on Mondays and Thursdays. So stay tuned for that. And make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of those notifications. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Joyous Festivus, Happy Kwanzaa, and Solstice to all of you. And Yule. Joyous Yule.